Hola amigos! Have you ever wondered how your food goes off? Don't you worry, as Team Explified breaks down how the stuff in your refrigerator goes off just for you. Number 1. Meat and meat products. Bacteria from the gut and hide of animals contaminate the meat when the animals are slaughtered and the meat is processed. Raw meat is then chilled and spoilage is caused by cold-loving psychrophilic bacteria. Once they have used up the sugars in the meat, they break down the proteins, forming slime and a putrid odor. Cured and fermented meats are dry and often contain salts. Cured meats spoil by yeasts which produce aromatic smells and slime, salt or acid-tolerant bacteria which causes souring. Number 2. Fish. Raw fish and seafood rapidly go off, even though they are stored in ice. There are no carbohydrates in the flesh, so bacteria from the gut and gills start work on the proteins straight away. They produce the mix of chemicals that gives bad fish its unique smell. Shellfish should be kept alive as long as possible before cooking and eating to avoid spoilage. Number 3. Milk and cream. Raw milk can contain many bacteria and it will soon go sour even if it's chilled. It can also harbor pathogenic microbes and in the past presented a danger to human health from diseases such as TB. To make it safe and prolong the storage life, most milk is pasteurized. Even so, the milk eventually spoils due to the growth of cold-tolerant bacteria. However, pasteurized milk tends to go rancid and clotted rather than sour. Cream is sometimes bitty due to the growth of Bacillus cereus bacteria. Number 4. Dairy products. Dairy products are made with the help of microbes, but sometimes other undesirable ones will cause spoilage. Butter is high in fat with not much water. This means it is slow to go off. Some bacteria, yeasts and molds may grow and make it rancid and tainted. Yogurt is made when bacteria fermented milk. It is acid and can be spoilt by yeasts and mold. Cheese is a solidified mixture of milk protein and fats. Its typical flavors are dependent on microbial action during manufacture. The combination of salt, low water content and acidity in mature cheese mean that it keeps well and any spoilage is by yeasts and molds. Well, that's all for this video. Do mention in the comment section if you would like to know more about latest scientific trends. Let's meet again with some more amazing insights. Till then, like, comment and subscribe to Explified.